Hi friends in Artland, welcome to the Seb Duke Show. The show where we talk about art marketing and mindset. My name is Seb Duke and I'm an artist and art marketing consultant. I'm here to help artists like you market your art better to reach the right audience and enhance your mindset in order to become more productive and efficient in whatever tasks you tackle. Twice a week, I bring you inspiring and practical advice to help guide you on your path to artistic greatness. And I do this because I truly believe that all art deserves to be seen, and that starts with yours. Monday episodes are for mindset advice to start your week right. Friday episodes are for art marketing advice so you can start your weekend with fresh ideas to work on. Now, we're about to start episode 20, the ultimate recipe for unhappiness. Today is December 21st, the shortest day of the year. A lot of people start to suffer from seasonal depression because the sun sets really early in the day. It's typically one of the days that affects the most people, as people realize is the shortest day of the year. So today, I'm going to show you the ultimate recipe for unhappiness. First ingredient, laziness. Please be as lazy as possible. I'm sure that you have goals and dreams and things that you wish to achieve. Well, don't do anything about it. Take the easy road and just think the world should recognize you for the creative genius that you are. Yeah, that's right, you're a creative genius. And one day the world will just magically realize how great you are and how brilliant your ideas are. The beautiful thing about it is that the world will come to you without you having to do anything about it. See, the thing is, effort brings results, but effort requires time and energy. It really sucks to spend time and energy to work for what you actually want. Plus, results bring this weird sense of pride and accomplishment, so you really don't want that. Stay away from effort, please. So just make sure that you don't work towards your goals. Make sure you don't try to build any momentum. Just think the world should love your art. And if they don't love it, then just hate them for being wrong and not seeing your genius. Don't try to see how you could be doing things better. Don't try to improve. That would require effort, and that would really suck. So make sure that you waste as much time as you can, especially when you wake up in the morning. Waste time in bed, don't get up right away. Play video games on your phone, watch Netflix, watch stupid videos on YouTube. Chase dopamine traps. It'll make the day go by without feeling the pain of effort. Second ingredient, jealousy. Spend as much time as you can being jealous of other people. Look at how they're living their lives on social media and wonder why you don't have that for yourself. But then go back to not working on that life you want. It's gonna spiral down into self-hatred, self-loathing, and guilt, and that's what you want more of to make sure that you are as unhappy as possible. So go all out and be as jealous as you can. Don't try to understand how you could be doing better. Don't try to learn new things. Just envy other people for what you wish you had. Third ingredient, make unhealthy choices. Make sure you don't exercise. Try to take as few steps as possible during your day. And try to eat all the junk food and processed food that you can. Don't drink water. Focus on sweet drinks. And avoid fruits and vegetables because that's the kind of energy that you don't want in your body that would allow you to do more. This way it's going to brood, all those negative feelings, and that's what you want more of because you want to be as unhappy as possible. Fourth ingredient, make sure you develop bad habits. One way or another, you end up creating habits in your life. They're either going to be good ones or bad ones. So make sure that you focus on creating bad habits and unproductive ones. If you notice that you're starting to have bad habits, definitely don't try to fix them. Capitalize on your bad habits if you want to be unhappy. Fifth ingredient, judge other people, but also compare yourself to others. Make sure that you look at others and envy them for what they have. Judge them for what they do, but envy them for what they have. It's going to make you feel superior and inadequate at the same time. Perfect recipe for unhappiness. Ask yourself why they have something that you don't have and revel in how unfair that is. Don't focus on how they got it. That's unimportant. If you see someone that has something you don't have, whether it may be material or success, just tell yourself it's unfair that you don't have that thing for yourself. And sixth and last ingredient, just keep on thinking that you have it all figured out. Don't try to learn new things. Don't expose yourself to new ideas. Never, ever challenge yourself. Because growth happens on the other side of your comfort zone. And you wouldn't want to grow because that would lead to happiness. See, there's a beautiful world on the other side of effort. A beautiful world that you can only dream of. And it would really suck if you went there one day. So if you take all of those ingredients, you let them stew for long enough, well then you have the perfect recipe for extreme unhappiness. That recipe is so good, it's gonna last you for a really long time, like a lifetime. So if on the other hand you want to be happier in life, just do the contrary of everything I just said. Alright, that's what wraps it up for me today. I really hope that you saw the irony in today's message. Next time I'll talk to you, it's going to be Friday on Christmas. And yes, there will be an episode released on December 25th, because here at the Seb Duke Show, we don't take any time off. So for those of you who will be tuning in on Christmas Day, it's going to be a good episode. I'm having a lot of fun preparing it, so make sure you tune in. Until then, just follow my advice today and make sure you maximize your unhappiness as much as possible so that absolutely no one can see your art. Alright, have a horrible day, and I'll talk to you soon.